Let's head outside, where new siding can transform the look of your home while being low maintenance and durable. C&L Ward offers personalized service, high performance products, and a peace of mind guarantee. C&L Ward has been helping clients since 1972.
The company was actually founded by my father and uncle, and they started in the siding business. And over the years, we've did thousands of siding projects. Not only do we bring the expertise in the selections of color and design, but we also bring the expertise in the installation and workmanship, which is equally important. Our process really starts with homeowners reaching out to us because they do have siding concerns or are looking to replace the siding on their home. And our first step is to schedule a free in-home consultation where we'll send out a design consultant that'll come out, assess the looks of the home, what your needs are, and what you're trying to accomplish with your siding project.
A design consultant will walk you through your siding options: vinyl siding, composite siding, and engineered wood products.
Vinyl siding, probably the one siding product that we use the most. Definitely the most affordable, but it has some great features such as durability, low maintenance, a wide variety of colors. You know, we've been doing vinyl siding for nearly 25, 30 years now, so it's tried and true, and it's a very popular product here in Michigan. Vinyl siding over the years has really transformed. We just don't see the fading that we used to with vinyl siding with a lot of the enhancements and changes they've made in the product. Engineered wood, we offer a product called Diamond Coat, and it's kind of a proprietary blend. It's based on a strand board type product, but then they have a capping and painting process that goes on top of it that's actually guaranteed for 30 years. A little richer colors, if you will, wider laps in the product so you can get different looks that maybe you can't get quite in vinyl siding. Maybe replacing a cement board, or you're replacing a wood siding and you want that authentic rich look that you've had. We find engineered wood's a great product solution. Composite is probably the latest trend in siding from what we're seeing. We use a product called Everlast. It has complete color retention throughout the product, minimal expansion, real deep, rich colors again, authentic wood grains. It's just a great alternative for those that are looking for a solid substrate product that you don't have to worry about ever cracking or splitting, and virtually maintenance-free.
The design consultant will also help you choose a siding color that will complement your home.
We really want to make it cohesive with the roofing, cohesive with the window colors. So when you look at it, it kind of blends well and it all works well together.
They can also create a 3D rendering of your home so you can visualize the style and color.
And what we're able to do at that point is mock up your home with different colors. So you could see it in a dark, rich color, or maybe something a little more in a gray tone, or something in a white. So it allows really people to get a visualization before they purchase or make that big decision. From there, once you decide to move forward with the project, we're able to assign a project manager that will come out to the home and really assess this whole scope of the project to make sure we have the right materials on site. We assign an installation crew. All of our crews are certified, so they all go through specific training on the different products they're putting on. So everything's under warranty and we meet all the manufacturer criteria. Once we start the installation, really it's a week or two long project. We clean up every day, we keep the house tidy, and really within a couple weeks, I mean, you can virtually transform your home and have that peace of mind that you know the siding's going to last for decades to come.
C&L Ward also offers clients a peace of mind workmanship guarantee.
We're going to stand behind our workmanship for as long as you own the home.
C&L Ward offers several financing options.
We have a lot of same as cash plans. What we find most people are more inclined to do right now is a low monthly payment option. We can get into siding someone's home and have a payment really as low as $199 a month and have a completely renovated new home.
You can also check out their new cost estimator tool on their website. Go clward.com.
When someone has their siding replaced on their home and we're done with the project, it's usually, wow, I didn't know it could look that great. They're happy they made the decision to not only upgrade, but really give their home a whole new curb appeal that they didn't think was possible.